Hey guys, welcome back. Part 4 of my lockdown specials is me showing you how to make a mug cake. Are you bored and feeling peckish? Do you ever just want a late night snack but you want something really quick? Then this is the video for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow me on my socials. Let's get on with the video. The first recipe I'm showing you is a cookies and cream mug cake. Take a mug and put 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of flour, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of milk, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 crushed Oreos, and mix together. Once mixed, pop it in the microwave for 1 minute 50 or longer if you need. This is what it looks like. I'm going to top it off with some chocolate and some Oreos. It looks so nice. On the inside it's all cooked and fluffy. It all binds together so well. Here's some shots to make you jealous. Do you have a birthday coming up but you can't go out to the shops? Then you can make this for all your family. In a mug, mix 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3 tablespoons of milk, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1 tablespoon of your sprinkles, but don't mix too much, otherwise they'll just get crushed. Like the previous cake, pop it in the microwave for 1 minute 50. It is done cooking and it looks so nice. But to make it more birthday-like, I'm going to top it off with melted white chocolate, a balloon that I handcrafted, and a candle. With this one, the inside is colourful but airy and light. I'm going to show you some clips to put you in that festive mood. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Stay indoors. Bye.